Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Josie Ritisa. I'm married and I have one daughter, 16 years old. I am high school graduate and I work as a domestic helper from Kuwait before. I worked for 4 years in one employer. The couple with one child with one grandmother elderly inside the house. I served them for 4 years. My main duties is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and cooking, marketing, and also taking care of one child, especially the elderly. I help her to taking a bath, cleaning her, and especially preparing her medicine.